welcome to KTA Quick and Ono Recipes. I'm Chef Michi, and today we're going to be making mini bundt cakes with fresh berries. Preheat oven to 350 degrees. Make the cake batter and prepare your bundt pans with cooking spray. If you're using muffin tins instead, you may need to use cupcake papers. Fill each portion 3/4 full and bake according to package directions. Remove from the oven and set aside to cool. Make the pudding according to package directions and refrigerate to help set the pudding. Using a serrated knife, gently cut out the middle of the cake, leaving the bottom intact. Repeat until all your cakes have a nice well to fill with pudding. Next, fill each cake with pudding and then decorate with the berries and top with a decorative snip of fresh mint. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.